got me down again.
Hey friends, I am about to start my longest run, probably hardest run so far in this goal of running a 10-mile off-road trail run. And I just want to quickly update myself for future Arleigh self, and maybe you're following along in my adventure. So I'm going to be running from West Point on the Eno, west on the Eno River Trail, Mountain to Sea Trail, and this is going to be part of my 10-mile run, trail run in December. And so this is going to be just 6 miles. I'm going to actually run a bunch of it and then walk home. And I'm interested to see what the trail's like on this side because I haven't done it on this side. I'm truly excited to see how I'm doing and how I'm feeling. It's like low 40s. It's probably gonna start raining on me. I'm carrying a backpack, a little running pack, so I can have food, my GoPro, water, rain jacket, gloves and hat because it might drop below 40 while I'm running. And right now I am running on some insane amount of no sleep because we had an overnight meeting with our global team at Turn. I'm gonna figure out where to go to get started.
You got me down again.
I'm about where the start line will be for my run across Durham, or RAD as the cool kids call it. So I'm gonna put you away till the first climb that should be about 2 miles in, and we'll see how I'm doing at that point. All right, let's go. Quick note, if you want to run from West Point on the Eno, there's a bunch of construction and it's kind of hard to keep track of the trail. So I bushwhacked and followed some goat trails, might be deer trails. I might not have been on the trail, but just a quick note, during this rest interval, that first part was a little bit confusing, but look how beautiful today is. I'm doing everything I can to soak in these fall colors before all the leaves drop. Look at that. All right, running starts. I'm interested to see how the GoPro 10 with its horizontal leveling does with me running off-road, because we know I'm not very smooth. The problem with this leveler thing, horizontal leveler, is that it's tighter on me than I would like. All right, do we go that way? Do we go that way? Going that way. That way it looks like a nice way. I'm going for a swim. What a gorgeous day. What a gorgeous run. Another rest break. Doing like 8 minutes on, 4 minutes off, and then 10 minutes on, 4 minutes off for a while till I get home. But I heard something that I want to share with you and future Arleigh, because that's always who I'm talking to, myself in the future. And that is the mindset that today I got to run. I had the chance to run, and not that I had to run. Hang on that. Let me get this interval done. Wee-hoo! I assume I'm going the right way. Hey. So gorgeous. I hope I don't have to go up those. I'm going this way. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous out today. I don't know where I'm going. Signs? Give me a sign. No tree markers, no signs. All right. That rocky underpass I just did, supposed to go up and over the bridge onto the other side of the river. So we're backtracking and getting ourselves back on the trail. It's still a beautiful day to be off the beaten path. All right, I am supposed to go up those. Oh man, knees are gonna hate me. All right, I will be carefully walking down these insanely steep stairs. I have wet leaves all over them. Ooh. Woo. This is fun. I love the trail finds in North Carolina. Old pump, fireplace. Old pump and fireplace. My favorite trail, which is Brumley, has old cars and like broken down buildings and such. So fun to find artifacts out here in the woods. As long as I don't find ghosts, we're good. How beautiful are these leaves? Glad it's not raining. Slipping and sliding. Oh God, so beautiful. Ran into some friends. Hi. You know, it's hunting season. You shouldn't like people like me. I'm not a hunter, by the way. They just should be a little bit more scared of people. I think I'm on a section of the trail that I've actually run before. If you've watched my bike to run video, this is the section I can access quickly from my house. All right, GoPro's dying, so I'm gonna put you away until then. Done with the off-road section. Now I'm just gonna walk, run, gravel road back to my neighborhood. So it's a little bit confusing trying to do intervals and navigate, but I know better for next time, which will be in 2 days. Know where to go. My hope is the next time to go further down the trail and have my wife pick me up at another trailhead. So yeah, nice little lunch break run. Getting it in, getting it done, trusting the process, trusting my coach that we're gonna get to this 10-mile trail run and finish it in style. Try not to die. And perfect timing, it's starting to rain. Hopefully not too hard. All right, I guess I should start running again. Stay well, stay good. And remember my new mantra, move for tomorrow.